Hi everybody, this is Mike Hamrick from Wilwood Disc Brakes. We're down at the Motor Trend Tech Center this week helping Hot Rod do an install on their Wick to Wicked Chevelle. Why don't you go ahead and follow along with us. We're going to go over some of the parts that we're going to use on this build this week. We decided to go with 12-inch brakes front and rear that are going to fit inside of the American 18-inch wheels. The American 18-inch wheels, American Racing 18-inch wheels, that's going to be something that most guys are starting to build their car with. And we've got quite a few different packages that'll work in those wheels. But we went with something that everybody at Hot Rod said that they're going to be doing with the car, and it's going to be a driver, something that they cruise around in. So we wanted to go with a brake that's not too much, but more than enough to fill the wheel in and give them the stopping capability that they're looking for. So in the front of the car, we're going to be going with our 12-inch Dynapro 6A big brake system. This type of a brake system is going to come with a 3-piece hub, rotor adapter, and rotor assembly. We've already assembled these. It's going to come with all of the bearings and seals that are needed, all of the hardware to bolt the calipers and the brackets to the spindle, and then the Dynapro 6 piston calipers. This is a great caliper for this application. This Chevelle, being a convertible, is going to be a little bit heavier, and set along with the master cylinder that we'll go over, it's going to be a perfect feel and combination to get this thing mowed down. So moving along, we went with our internal drum parking brake kit for the rear, and that's going to be a 12-inch rotor, A10 thick, and it's a one-piece. And you'll notice as we start building the car that the drum assembly will fit inside, which will be our parking brake. On the back, we're going to mate the 6-piston calipers with our forged Dynalite internal 4-piston caliper. This caliper, along with the front, is going to be a really good setup, especially, like I said, with the car being a little bit heavier. This is going to give us a lot of clamping force and just enough inside that 18-inch wheel to woe it down. The thing that we decided to finish it off with is one of our new tandem integral short master cylinders. This is going to be really nice because it'll be a manual brake setup, 15/16 bore, with our combination proportioning valve off to the side. With the factory manual brake pedal, we're looking at a 6 1/4 to 1 leverage ratio. So with the large square area calipers front and rear and the larger manual style 15/16 inch bore, we're going to be able to get this thing stopped really well.